I'm back with this weather. It's getting more cooler, and you can see every trees are like moving in this wind, and the sky is getting more darker. Sky is getting more darker, and everybody is going into their house. And as you can see, everybody's clothes are like flying in the sky, and those trees are like will fall down, like, and you can see the sky. I think something will crash like trees or cars.